Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Jericho Ivan, the CEO, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, if you like the content, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the most crispiest yet delicious fried chicken wings. Enough talking, let's make this, shall we? To make our fried chicken wings is super simple. As always, all the recipes are in the description box down below. Before you marinate, I'm gonna separate the flat and the drum wing. It's super easy. The first step is to find the joint of the wing, then cut it to separate them, then place them on a giant bowl or a mixing bowl. If you bought a pre-cut wings, go ahead and move along to the marinating stage. So I didn't bought the pre-cut wing, so I just separated myself. Okay, we can now start marinating the chicken wings. Season them with salt and pepper, following with 1.5 tablespoons of paprika, and finally add 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. And mix it with your clean hands, then keep it in the fridge and let it marinate for 1 hour or overnight. Once the chicken is marinated, let's make the seasoning flour. In a bowl, add half a cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of dried thyme, 1.5 teaspoons of dried mint, 2 big pinches of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and finally 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Give it a quick mix, then leave it aside. After that, grab a small plate and add half a cup of plain white flour, because that's going to be the first coating of the wings. And finally, the milk and egg mixture. In a wide rim plate, crack 2 eggs, and lastly, add half a cup of milk, and whisk it until the eggs is nice and homogeneous. After you prepared all 3 coatings for the chicken wings, start heating your fry pot with cooking oil to medium heat and heat it up for 20 minutes. While the oil is heating, I'm going to show you how to coat the wings. Step 1, coat the wings with plain flour, then shake off the excess. Step 2, dip them into the egg mixture. And finally, step 3, coat them in the seasoning flour. As you can see, I'm coating and squeezing at the same time so that it'll have that nice, flaky and crispy exterior as you can see in the screen. Once the oil is screaming hot, fry the wings and cook them for 8 minutes. Eight minutes later, take them out and set it on a cooling rack to drain out the excess oil and keeping it crispy. After that, fry the next batch. Would you look at that flaky exterior? And by the way, don't forget that before you fry the next batch, grab a mini strainer and take out the small bits of breading, or else your fried chicken won't look good and it will taste burnt as well. I forgot to tell you guys that let them cool down for 4 to 5 minutes, then serve. This is by far the best fried chicken wings you'll ever make. Do you want to know how crispy is the chicken? Here you go. Well, there you go, my friends. That's how you make fried chicken. And let's give it a go. It's crispy, huh? Oh, so crispy, so juicy. Well, that's all for today, guys. If you like it and if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!